everybody, my name is Avery from Frostbite Development, and today we are going to be doing hot potato, making the plugin, making the hot potatoes be hot potatoes, okay. So this episode we're going to be finishing up the game creator and making the command handler and making our first command. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to copy this public void update lobby method. It's actually update lobby method, not public void. And we're going to name it update spawn. S-P-A-W-N. I know how to count. This doesn't make sense. Okay, so now, all we're really going to have to do, is change lobby to spawn. And spawn and copy and paste it where it says lobby, change it to spawn, and I'm done with the updating lobby spawn. That's how easy it is. That's why I like creating this. So let's copy and paste it 2 more times and name this one update spec because it says spectate spawn. Now everywhere it says spawn, change it to spec. Everywhere it says spawn inside the method. If you don't know what a method is, go watch one of my earlier videos, not of this, of the past. You know what I mean. Now we're gonna do end. E-N-D. E-N-D, did I spell it right? E-N-D. I forgot to change this here. Update end. So right now, I think we're done. Unless we want to do enable, we might want to do that. So public void, we'll put that at the top. We're gonna have to actually make a new method. I'm sorry, guys. I know you like copy and pasting, I do too. So let's do public void enable arena. Player string arena. So of course we're going to check if the arena exists. Let's copy and paste this code here. Because, you know, we just copy and paste. That's just what we do. So I was checking something. Now, right below it, we're going to do, if, what are we going to do? If plugin.getFH.get arena. No, we won't do that. We'll just trust that all the points are set. Let me create a to-do. To-do. Check if points are set. That is for the future. When we finish the plugin, we're going to add this to a future update. That's what I'll do for to-dos. So, right below that, we're going to do public, oh my god, plugin.getConfig.get, no, we're first going to check if the string is created. If plugin.get plugin.getConfig.contains enabled. If it doesn't contain enabled, how about that? Let's do no, if it does contain. No, if it doesn't. If it does. Okay, we'll just do if it does. Right above that, the if statement, we're actually gonna create some new object, I think it is. List, then inside the greater than and less than things, we're gonna do player. We're gonna call this enabled equals new array list player, then player inside the greater than equal to. Then we're gonna do parentheses and the semicolon. We're gonna import array list and list. Then how are we going to do this? We're going to do enabled dot we're going to do enabled equals plugin dot get config dot get string list, and then inside here, inside the parentheses, we're going to do enabled, and then we're going to do string list. It's not player. Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? Instead of player, we're going to do string, everybody. Sorry, I was tired, I guess. I was crying. You know, it's a hard knock life for you. So outside of this if statement, we're gonna do enabled dot add arena name, and then exit that out with semicolons. Then we're gonna do plugin dot get config dot set enabled to enabled in the first parameter will be enabled in quotes. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Hopefully this works. Let me just double check it. So we create the array list, which is creating the list, and we check if the list is there, and if the list is there, then we get the list. Then we add to the list, and then we set the list. Alright, we're good. Then let's do plugin dot get config dot or plugin dot send send message player, and the message will be you have enabled plus arena name plus in quotes exclamation point. Then we copy and paste this again, and we're going to do disable. So disable arena, and we check if the arena's there. So now we're going to do if plugin does not contain enabled, we're going to say no, we're going to do this. If the plugin does contain enabled, no, we're going to do if it if it does not contain enabled, and we're going to do and after it checks that. And then we're going to do if plugin dot get no. Sorry, I'm hesitating about this, guys. How about let's just do this. If plugin does contain it, and if plugin dot get config dot get string list enabled in quotes dot contains arena name, we're going to do plugin dot get config dot get string list dot remove arena name, and then we're going to send a message to a player. You have disabled plus outside of the quotes arena name exclamation point. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do plus then quotes exclamation point. So now outside is basically we're going to return actually inside here, and outside is going to be arena name. We're going to do a plugin dot send message player arena name plus quotes was never enabled exclamation point. So now that we have enabled disabled, we're gonna actually create in the game sub package, you could say. We're gonna create something named game. We're not gonna really use this right now. But we're gonna copy the constructor from here. Paste it. Delete that. Change constructor. Then we're gonna make a new with we're gonna do public void load arena. Are we gonna do this? No, we're not gonna do this. Never mind. Keep this class, but inside the game creator where you enable, do oh, I know. In the hot potato. No. In game. Okay, we're just gonna use game. All right. Sorry about this debate. We're gonna do public. Nope, we're not gonna do in game. You know, dude. We're in 11 minutes, so let's do this fast. Okay, inside the hot potato, we're no. Game handler. We're gonna create a game handler. And we're gonna put the constructor there. Change it. And then we're gonna do in the game handler public void load arena string arena. Then we're gonna do arena string arena name equals arena dot to lowercase. Then we're gonna check if the arena is created. I guess we can do player. No, let's not do player. Let's do, actually we have to add something to the hot potato class. Inside the messages, under that, let's do public void send console, then string message, then we're going to do this dot get logger dot info, I guess. And then we're going to do message. And then here, instead of sending the message inside the game handler, inside the load arena, we're going to do plugin.send console arena name plus quotes, not quotes, yeah, quotes, is not a arena. Then we're gonna do this load arena later. But yeah, I think we finished the game creator. I guess we're gonna have to start the arena creator later. I mean the commands, Avery. All right? Yes, Avery. Commands later. Sorry, today I was debating within myself, you could say. As I told you before, I am doing this just thinking in my head, and yeah. But I like to say stuff. These videos will be going up every 2 days, so every other day there will be a video up. And what else? Oh yeah, I'm not saying that this code will work the first time we use it, so don't try to use this code if the series hasn't finished, because if you try to use this code and the code actually has a huge bug, it will not turn out good. So please don't try to use any of this code until or use the plugin until the whole plugin is finished. Yeah. There's a disclaimer I want to do. As you can see, well, you might be able to see that you can see the duration. So I'm going to have to go. So next episode we're going to be doing commands. I'm sorry that today I was a little vague on my descriptions. It'll be better next episode. And I'll see you in 2 days, guys. Bye.